Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to bank account on wallet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. Then at the middle of the screen on the home page you can see the connect your bank account option. Track and analyze spending immediately and automatically through our bank connection. Here you can see a list, but if you do not find your bank's name here, you have to click on the find your bank and click on the select bank, and here you can see a list from where you can choose your bank's name. But I'm going to show you with Revolut. But I have to tell you, yeah, it shows it immediately that to connect to your bank you have to upgrade to premium. So in order to get all your bank transactions synced and categorized on wallet in real time, you have to buy a premium plan, but you can try for free, and you have to give your credit card details, and after that period it automatically will ask you if you want to continue with their premium plans. But let's see their premium plans. You can see the monthly plan, the yearly plan, and a lifetime. So right now I'm in Romania, that's why in RON, but it's not so expensive. Like the monthly plan is $4, so it's okay, I guess. So you get unlimited accounts, unlimited bank account syncs, multi-user collaboration, advanced charts and reports, and tools and widgets. So this is how you can connect your bank account, and in that way you can have all your information in one place in this app, which is really great because you can follow your expenses, your income, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.